Hello, my friend. Today's story begins with an idea, a quiet spark inside your heart that whispers, you can become better than you are right now. This idea appears when life feels slow, heavy, or confusing. It appears when you look at your reflection and feel that something is missing. It appears when your dreams knock softly on the door of your mind, asking to be heard. Improvement does not begin with loud actions. It does not begin with big steps. It begins with this tiny spark, a gentle desire to grow. And if you protect that spark, it becomes a fire that can change your entire life. Imagine a seed buried deep under the soil. No one sees it. No one claps for it. No one believes in it. But inside that seed, something powerful is happening. A silent decision to rise. This is how self-improvement works. You begin quietly. You start small. You grow with patience. And one day, the world sees what you have been building inside yourself. Think of a river flowing through a valley. The river does not shout. It does not move fast. It simply flows, gently, consistently. The stones in its path appear strong and unbreakable. Yet over time, the river softens them. It changes their shape. It transforms the world around them. Your daily habits are that river. Your small actions, reading one page, practicing one new word, waking up 10 minutes early, do not look powerful at first. But when repeated every day, they reshape your life in ways you cannot imagine. Now picture a mountain, tall, silent, immovable. Everyone wants to reach the top, but most people want to jump there in one single moment. They want instant success, instant confidence, instant transformation. The mountain does not reward the impatient. It rewards the climber who understands that every step matters, even slow steps, even ugly steps, even tired steps. Because progress, real progress, is not about speed. Progress is about direction. Let us imagine a candle in a completely dark room. At first, the darkness feels powerful. It seems endless, cold, and heavy. But when the candle lights up, something beautiful happens. The darkness retreats. The room becomes warm. The shadows soften. This candle is your daily discipline. Every small action you take, cleaning your space, practicing English, learning one new skill, drinking more water, is like lighting a candle inside your life. It may look small, but it changes everything around you. Think for a moment about a clock. Tick, tick, tick. Seconds pass quietly. They do not shout for attention. Yet these seconds become minutes. Minutes become hours. Hours become days, and days become entire lives. Your life is shaped by the things you do in those tiny seconds. Every second you invest in yourself becomes part of a stronger future. Every second you waste becomes part of a forgotten past. Success belongs to the person who uses their seconds wisely. Now imagine a library filled with books. Each book holds a story, a mistake, a victory, a lesson. Some contain knowledge that can save you years of confusion. Some contain wisdom that can change your thinking forever. This library teaches a powerful truth. Learning never ends. Every day, life can teach you something. If you listen, you learn from failure. You learn from success. You learn from people. You learn from silence. You learn from pain. You learn from curiosity. And each lesson becomes a new brick in the foundation of your future. Picture a garden filled with different plants. Some grow fast, some grow slowly. Some bloom in spring. Some bloom only once a year. But none of them compare themselves to each other. The rose does not say, "I wish I were a tree." The tree does not say, "I wish I were a flower." Each plant grows at its own pace, in its own season, in its own beautiful way. You, my friend, must do the same. Comparison kills confidence. Comparison destroys joy. Comparison steals growth. Your journey is uniquely yours, and your time will come. Let's now enter the heart of improvement. The 3 invisible rules that guide every meaningful transformation. Rule 1. Start small. Big goals often scare the brain. Small actions feel safe and doable. And when something feels doable, you repeat it. Repetition builds change. Rule 2. Be consistent. A small habit done daily is more powerful than a big effort done once. Consistency creates identity. When you repeat something, you begin to believe. This is who I am now. Rule 3. Have a purpose. Purpose gives meaning to pain. Purpose turns effort into joy. Purpose makes you stronger than laziness. These rules may look simple, but they are the engine of every transformation. Now imagine a mirror. You stand in front of it. But instead of seeing one reflection, you see 2 versions of yourself. One is the person you are today, shaped by your past choices. The second is the person you can become. Strong, disciplined, confident, peaceful, skilled, calm, happy. The distance between these 2 versions is created by your daily actions. Every small improvement brings you closer to your future self. Every small avoidance pushes you farther away. So ask yourself, which direction am I moving? Imagine a path through a forest. Sometimes the path is wide and comfortable. Sometimes it becomes narrow, rocky, uncomfortable, unclear. Many people give up when the path becomes difficult. They think difficulty means stop. But the truth is this: improvement requires courage. You must keep walking even when you cannot see the full path. You must trust the journey even when motivation is low. You must continue even when progress feels slow. The forest has a secret. The path only reveals itself to the one who keeps moving. Now picture a sunrise. The sky is dark, everything feels quiet. Then slowly, gently, light begins to rise. A sunrise is not sudden. It begins small, then grows, then fills the entire sky with hope. Your personal growth is exactly the same. You begin with small actions. You continue with steady discipline. You grow quietly for a long time. And one day, you look back and realize you are no longer the person you used to be. This is the magic of improvement. It happens slowly, then beautifully. So, my friend, here is the final truth of this story. You do not need to change your entire life today. You do not need to become a new person overnight. You do not need to prove anything to anyone. You only need to do one thing. Improve yourself every time. Improve your thoughts, even a little. Improve your habits, even a little. Improve your discipline, even a little. Improve your English, even a little. Improve your dreams, even a little. These small improvements build the future you desire. These small steps shape your identity. These small moments make you stronger, clearer, happier, more alive. And the most beautiful part is this: the power to grow is already inside you. It has always been inside you. Your journey begins the moment you choose to take the first step, and that moment is now.